On problem 19, it gives you a function and then it asks you to graph it, showing at least 2 cycles of its period, and then determine its domain and range. So first, let's figure out what the period of cotangent 1/8 pi is. To determine the period of tangent or cotangent, use the equation pi over w, where w is found by the value that's being multiplied by your x on the inside. So that means that we have pi over 1/8. When dividing fractions, don't ask why. Let's flip the second number and multiply. So our period is 8 pi. Knowing that, I can now graph it. I'm also going to graph tangent and show you what they both look like. So let me do tangent first. Yeah, it's going to be big. Okay, tangent. What's funny about tangent compared to cotangent? Actually, let me finish this. Okay, tangent compared to cotangent, they're shifted a little bit. Tangent is centered about the origin, while cotangent is shifted a little. So this is going to be 4 pi, and back here this will be 12 pi. And for cotangent, this is actually going to be 8 pi. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. So they both have a period of 8 pi, but for tangent, it's about the origin, so it's like this, where there's asymptotes here. For cotangent, it's actually shifted over from the origin, so there's asymptotes here, here, and here, and it looks like, I want to make sure I did this right, it looks like this. Okay, so this top one, this is tangent, and this bottom one is cotangent. So let's, now that I've drawn them, let's discuss it. So tangent is about the origin, and it increases to the right. Cotangent is shifted over from the origin, about half its period, and then it's decreasing to the right. So now, what is the domain of tangent or cotangent? Well, since it's got asymptotes, it all depends on its period. I'm only going to talk about cotangent now. The domain of cotangent is based off its period, and it can be written in the form of however many period it is. So it's such that like x doesn't equal 8 pi k, where k is an integer. Its period was 8 pi, remember? So if k is 0, then that makes this asymptote. K is 1, that makes this asymptote. If k is 2, that makes 16 pi, which is this asymptote. Okay. Then the range of cotangent is actually from negative infinity to positive infinity because it will keep increasing. So range